What's up, y'all? So apparently there's lots of, who would have thought, lots of bad information on the internet. I know, awesome haircut. Thank you, wife. Bing. So went to the Wally World, bought me one of these, and I was like, I can only put 3 rounds in it. What's the deal? What is the deal? I sound like Seinfeld. So I'm like, alright, we need some buckshot up in this thing to defend the homestead. I can only put 3 of these in there. So then I got to thinking, oh, it's plugged. It's plugged. I'll get the plug out. Well, watching some guys like, you need to take it all apart. You need to put it over the stove for 5 minutes and then literally twist the magazine tube off and blow up. No. Nope. So I have this gun completely disassembled other than the magazine tube. You can see there's nothing in here. Brand new gun. Thank you, Mossberg. Let me show you. In here, right, this is the end of the magazine tube. There's a wooden dowel. Is everybody watching? Come on. Aha. Reach in there and pull that sucker out. You do not need to completely disassemble the gun. You do not need to put this over heat and remove the magazine tube and do all of that nonsense and reattach it with Loctite. You don't need to do any of that. You just need to wiggle. When you wiggle, that dowel will come out like that. Look, I don't even have to edit this thing together. It's that simple. You pull it out, bam, full capacity. Dun dun dun. Thanks, Bear. You're welcome. Shalom.